What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be reviewing or unboxing some few toys here. So I'm starting to build my own PC right now, and this is a startup pack of it. So first buy just a working PC, an old one, not old one but new, but I'll basically upgrade all of these month by month and add new latest features on it. So this is what I have right now. And yeah, let's get into it. Start unboxing stuff and opening things. Yeah, so excited. Looks so nice. Yeah.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
So guys, let's get into it. So I'm gonna unbox this. This is a full working PC, and I have to connect it today. Make it work. So let's get to it. So this is our RAM, and it's a Vengeance RAM, one RAM, 16 gig. This is our solid state hard drive. We're gonna have to figure out how to connect it. And this is our processor. So I chose it recently because old, upgradable. The purpose of this processor. Because it's just to have a working PC, then you can upgrade it. And we have a power supply. Yeah, I know it's a weak one, but everything should be crappy, old, and we got our motherboard with the integrated graphics card in it. This is the creepiest thing you can have, and we got keyboard and mouse and graphic headset. This is what I call starter pack. First thing we do is we open a box, and we don't use knives here. We basically use the key. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I like unboxing everything. So I think this case is like a very not decent case, a decent case. Nothing special about it. The guy told me that if you buy everything standard, just get this case, then you can upgrade everything later. Okay, nice. This is wet. Yeah. Okay, let me take you closer and show you how it looks like closer. Okay, this is the box. I'm opening it up today. Forgot I can't do this with one hand. Okay, one side is out. Remove the other one. Okay, so let's look at this. No, using one hand was not a good idea. Okay, so this is the box. Yeah, let's go to. That's how it looks like right now. It's just empty. There's nothing inside. And I still have to connect everything one by one. Okay. And if you haven't seen a box, that's how it looks like before you connect everything. Empty power supply, empty slots. So today we're going to connect everything here, one by one, until it's working. Yeah, let's start doing that. Okay, what's up, guys? So right now I'm gonna have to be careful and start putting things together. So the first few things to put in, deal with the motherboard first. The most crucial thing ever. So, I got this plate out of the motherboard. That means I have to stick it in the desktop. I'll do that later. And you got some readmes here and a disk for drivers, I guess. So first thing first, you're gonna have to do, be careful. You need to be careful when you're handling this. And so there's a corner here, as you can see. So that corner, this one, has to be aligned with the corner here. And I have to check for that corner now. So it's easy. Oh, there it is. That's it. Yeah. Hope I didn't mess this up. Okay, it just fits in. And snap. Okay, this part we in. Okay. I am usually afraid of everything, so let's see. Okay, let's take a break, but think about this. That's the most boring part. Okay, done with the mother of the board, the most sensitive thing ever. Okay, after I installed the fan, I actually started putting in the power supply right now, just to make sure that you start setting up everything, since I've already set up the motherboard. So the only things were left was to put the other missing parts that I didn't use. And yeah, it's continuing to watch how many things I'm left with, but most of this I'm just gonna fast forward because it's a lot of screwing and tightening bolts and stuff like that. Yeah, so I hope this is not boring, but yeah, continue watching. Okay, so we got one SATA and one SSD. I can try and push it in. I'm not sure. I'm done connecting power supply, motherboard. I'm just putting in the cable now for for the hard drive, my SATA hard drive, and it is a bit tricky also. Doing the intro the rest, but to put it's like way at the bottom. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, that's what I mean. Okay, that's pretty much done, and we're gonna start doing some cabling. And I need one of them. So let's check. Let's just check how everything is. Power on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Haha! We're not exploding. Okay. So we got lights happening, and nothing else is happening, but we got lights. We will see. I think it's not connected. That's the first test. Issues with the PC, and right now I've connected the PC correctly. It's working. As you can see there, I'm starting a game with it now. And I've installed the Windows, and yeah, so it seems to be working, and my keyboard is working perfectly, and my mouse is light now. So yeah, so my setup has worked perfectly. Yeah, first game of League of Legends. Yay. Yo, what a long day, guys. So setting up a PC is not an easy thing, but yeah, I learned a few things when I was doing the build. Yeah, one last thing I forgot to connect, it was actually the motherboard itself. I didn't put the power in the motherboard and the processor also, so I had to switch and connect those two cables between this. It was a lot of cables, and I couldn't focus to all of them. And right now I'm playing a game, trying to focus, talking to you guys. Just have to forgive me, I'm doing both at the same time. It's a fun thing. Yeah, so besides that, thank you for anyone who's been watching right now. Leave any comments if you want videos like this. But for the next few videos, I'll review more products and more builds. So I'll be building and continue on the one that I had, and maybe buy another graphics card. So it's gonna look awesome at the end of it. So this was just a startup. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Leave a few comments, man. Give me suggestions if I did incorrectly. Anyway, see you later. Bye.
Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.